Sean Paul, Mr. Worldwide. This is the Caribbean Connection. And we want the world to get ready to have the time of their life.
Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me if it feels alright. Wanna drop it low and break me up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so.
It's Mr. WW and Sean Paul. Big dogs, faux show. I'm from the city where they hustling, hustling, hustling. Rick Ross, blood, sweat, tears just to eat a meal. So I crowd, walk, ran, and I got a deal. I'm a hop, skip, jump from 100 mil. Call me climate change, I make it hot and make them chill. Where I go in Jamaica, Sabase and I roll it to my Haitians. Catch me carnival with my shell, Montana one time, training massive invasions. Shutting down India, Indonesia, Malaysia. The way that she go dress, yeah, sharp as a razor. Got the game wide open, like a woman in labor. Respect later.
Hands up.